Hey, good morning from Foley, Alabama. Yes, I am here. And at this moment, my house in Michigan, the leaves are starting to fall. And it's worse than any snowstorm you could ever imagine. Nice and warm here. I think it's 93 degrees and it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful day. Very nice. I'm looking forward to like November, December, when it's going to be like still 65, 70 degrees while they're shoveling snow back there in my Great Lakes state of Michigan. Yeah, everything's good here. Looking for a new house, a brand new house, one that's being built or one that's about to be completed in building. Been busy, been really busy. I actually bought a new truck. Yeah, I didn't get a Ford. They just cost too much. I was looking at the Maverick, but man, it's just not enough truck for me. I test drove one and I don't know, I felt like I was in a go-kart. And then an F-150 just costs too much. It's not even worth it. I don't want a 6-cylinder and paying that much. And Chevy, I'm not really a fan of them. I don't like square fender wells. Dodge, are they even American made? Are they even American owned? Does Italy still own Dodge? So I ended up getting this. A Japanese truck. But let me tell you about this truck. It didn't cost half of what F-150 would cost. Yeah, granted, it is a mid-sized truck. It is the Nissan Frontier SV. It's not four-wheel drive, just rear-wheel drive. But it is only mid-sized truck with a 6-cylinder. It also has Michelin tires and has Bilstein shocks, has a Dana rear end, and it doesn't look bad. I've been studying on how to buy a new car without paying for all the markups and all the nonsense, add-ons and all that stuff. It worked. So I'm grateful to God for that. Now, when we left Michigan, I have to confess, I got rid of almost everything. The Grand Champ, the Bronco cooker. What else is there? The Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Everything. The Fisto. The Utora Chinese-made, German-engineered barbecue grill, all of them, except for that new pizza oven I got, and Will Prep pizza oven. I still have that, but I will be buying a new smoker. I might just get another Grand Champ. I really like the Grand Champ. I think it's very worthy of buying again, but I wasn't worthy to transport here, so I didn't. Even sold my red F-150. Sad. But it gave me 22 years of happiness, so. Yeah, it's nice here in Alabama. It is nice. People are nice. I haven't met a mean person yet. Everybody's been very cordial. I know there's going to be a mean person here and there, no matter where you're at, except for heaven. Very cordial people. I hear a lot of people reply to me saying, "Sir." That's how I talk all the time. So, very nice. A few days ago, went out with my nephew Jeremiah and his cousin Dakota and had some yellowfin tuna out there on the Florida-Alabama border. We were actually in Florida, and that was the best fish I ever had in my life. And my favorite fish is salmon. Yeah, that was amazing. Thank you, Jeremiah. Thank you, Dakota. Dakota, you paid for it. You snuck on us, and you paid for it. It was a great night. And this is a great day. And I thank you all for watching.